the fact that that's motorized is just ridiculous. Completely.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Top 5 Central. Airplanes have become the most efficient and fastest way to travel long distances, and with so many people going on them, airlines have started making things more expensive, but also adding in more luxury. So today we're looking at 5 airplane seats you won't believe exist. Now, we've done episodes on roller coasters, water slides, pets, YouTubers, and so much more, so if you want to check out more videos, stick around until the end. Huge thanks to Zach Weber for suggesting this idea. If you want your own shout out, all you gotta do is click subscribe, like the video, and comment your own idea that we should do next. But anyways, let's get right into it. Number 5. You know how lately there's been a trend of YouTube videos exploring ultra expensive airline seats? Well, this is the video that started it all. Back in 2016, Casey Neistat got a free upgrade to first class on a flight from New York to Dubai, and he ended up with a seat worth over $21,000. I mean, even good seats on a plane are normally pretty basic, but this one had everything from automatic doors to a private minibar, even a mini movie theater. Not just that, but his meals went way beyond normal airplane food, like even caviar was on the menu. Outside of his room, things got even crazier. The bathroom was big enough to shower in, and since he'd reserved a slot, he had it all to himself for 30 minutes. Plus, the extras were insane. While he was there, he got a full set of pajamas, some slippers, an eye mask, and every kind of soap and shaving cream you could imagine. Was it worth $21,000 though? I don't know, but it sure looked like a lot of fun.
Here is enormous. It's like a movie theater. It's touchscreen. And the fact that that's motorized is just ridiculous. It's completely unnecessary. This is caviar. The real deal. The dream. Showering on an airplane.
Number 4. Worth It is a series that explores the most expensive things in the world, whether that's food, clothes, or even apartments. So it makes sense that once they saw Casey's video, they had to go one step further and find an even more luxurious airplane. Now, to be fair, yes, these seats are worth $24,000, but it is a double suite, and there are 2 of them checking it out. With that said, the whole experience is still pretty insane, and it's made even better by the fact that the plane doesn't actually leave the ground the whole video. That's right, they don't have to stress about boarding or packing because they got a private tour, so all they have to do is just chill out. I mean, it's basically the ideal vacation. They get expensive champagne and onesies, and then it's time for caviar and lobster. They even finish off the whole thing with a nap and a huge double bed, which looks like the best night's sleep you could ever get on a plane, I'll be honest. So was it worth it? Well, they said so, and they're definitely the experts, since that's literally what their show is called.
What am I gonna do with all this space?
Dude, talk about leg room.
Whoa.
Wow. This is bigger than my dining room table at home.
This is bigger than my TV at home. Oh, look at this. Little cubby hole for my feet.
What's the reclinability?
Oh. What is happening to my feet? Wait a second.
No, we're at like a 5-star hotel food right now. We've done it.
Food coma. Oh, dude, this bed is huge.
It's enormous. I never thought I would be getting into bed with you on an airplane.
Oh my gosh. All right, let's just do this.
Oh. Yes.
Is that memory foam, dude? Dude. What is happening? Look at this space.
Number 3. Now, we don't have an exact price point for this seat, but it doesn't take an expert to know it's pretty high end. I mean, this Pacific flight has you settled with snacks and champagne before you even get off land, and we all know it doesn't get better than that. As for the complimentary items, there's all the usual stuff: PJs, slippers, a whole bag of cologne, and toothpaste, but it gets even better. Like, don't you hate it when you're flying and you can't hear like your movie over the sound of babies crying or like people talking? Well, this airplane fixed that, because they gave everyone in first class a pair of brand new Bose headphones. In fact, this one might be my favorite, because even the lounge before you board the plane is luxurious. Everyone knows that waiting for your flight is the worst part, but if I was sitting in a lounge that even had its own private computer suite, I think I'd be a lot less bored. Plus, if you still don't believe that this seat is above and beyond, they have real flowers in a vase by the window, on a plane. How could you possibly top that? Number 2. Now, I've said already that it was a Casey Neistat video that kicked off this whole trend, but after everyone else started making their own, even Casey had to up his game. So what did he do? He booked an Emirates first class flight that was even more insane than the last one, and made a vlog about his experience to prove it. In fact, the whole plane was brand new, so he was one of the first ever people to explore it. Now, I obviously can't list everything that's awesome about this seat, but I can give you some of the highlights. For a start, the seat has 2 TVs and 2 closets, as well as a mini bar, free snacks, and a pop-up box full of even more goodies. As if that wasn't enough, you could literally video chat the flight attendants, just in case opening the door and talking to one of them in real life is too much effort.
I mean, it's like a proper heavy, big wooden door. Now, this feels more like a small but extremely elegant hotel room than it does an airplane seat. You got your seat, which is also a bed. You've got closets, 2 TVs, and a door here that opens and closes. And it goes all the way to the top. Yes?
Let me just take you a good take off.
Number 1. So when most people get on an airplane, they're going on holiday, right? Well, I've got to be honest with you guys. Getting on this flight seems like a whole holiday by itself. Don't believe me? Well, this guy got a whole room to himself, and that was just in the flight lounge. While he was there, he ordered 5-star food, signature cocktails, but that was just the beginning. You see, his food took some time to be cooked, so while he waited, he headed over to the spa for a shave and massage. Plus, he got to choose everything, right down to the country-style shave he wanted and the kind of cigar he finished off with. Once he got on the plane, things stayed just as crazy. I mean, for a start, he had 2 rooms, a living room, and a double bedroom, and each one had a TV over 27 inches. There was free Wi-Fi, complimentary headphones, and every kind of power outlet imaginable, but things got even better outside his room. Like, business class had its own lobby with a bar and a dining area, making the whole flight more like an expensive hotel than a way to get from A to B.
And our assortment of beverages on show.
Okay.
As we go through it. I'll start from here if you don't mind. So we have our media controls, which will control your 32-inch television screen. Underneath these panels, everything is touch to open. So there are PED outlets and also a touch screen which navigates your window shades, the reclining of your sofas, the lights, and also your ottoman, which moves out so you can rest your legs. So here we are in the double bedroom of the residence. As you can see, Sam is currently relaxing.
And there's a video on the top 5 airline seats you won't believe exist. Like I said, we have like 20 or 30 episodes of the series, so if you guys want to go check out those, feel free to click on screen now. Don't forget, if you subscribe and like the video right now, I will personally walk to your house and give you a box of cookies. No joke. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.